Welcome back to Darlene and Grit Homestead. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Brian.
And we are going to cut down an old apple tree. We actually have several old apple trees that need to come down. And the reason is because they're diseased. They don't produce enough apples anymore. They're probably over 50 years old.
There's 3 that are in the far field that definitely are. And some of these that are in the main yard area they're all coming down, but they're probably within 30 to 50 easy. Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to cut one down and we're just going to share the experience of cutting down an old apple tree. All right. So have fun watching us.
Yep. And enjoy the blue jays. They are on one today.
Blue jays, stellar jays. They're
Robins.
obnoxious.
Oh,
They're
yeah,
mad at us.
They're excited.
That's why you wear safety goggles, because you do dumb stuff like that. All right, we got one big branch right here that's stuck, so I'm gonna use this to knock it loose. What is this called again?
Technically it's a post hole, like digger and pounder and whatnot.
Like
so it'll, yeah.
Trident.
Yeah, I've used it for literally everything. It's the greatest tool ever made.
Oh, it's still on there.
I know.
Okay,
There's a little piece. That's what I said. Use that chisel. Yep. There you go. Right there.
There we go.
Success.
Alright, we're not trying to destroy this fence yet, even though we're going to replace it, so we got a little bit of a pickle here. We're going to try to cut this off without destroying the fence. Good? Alright.
Just bend that, which ain't the big deal. Fence is not worth anything anymore, but we need to keep dogs in, so.
Yeah, for now.
And children, so, you know, it's a corral. All right.
Hey, Brian. Glasses.
Can't see you, where you be? Yeah, probably.
Get your glasses on, fool.
Hey, sorry about that. I'm getting into the moment.
Feeling manly?
No. Getting stuff done. Feeling accomplished more than manly.
That's why I'm here. 3 more trees to cut down that are apple trees.
Nope, 4.
Oh, there's 4.
We got the 3 big ones that are in the field, and then we got the one that is right next to the driveway.
Oh yeah, I always forget there's that other one.
That one's probably the worst. It's standing, but it's the worst. It's termite damage.
That one's
and
not gonna be fun. We're all done. I'm just tying the rope back up, and then
that's
we
it,
will
man.
show you more.
Yeah, we'll just keep, as we clear, we'll keep rolling with this and keep showing you guys. It'll take you long. It's been fun.
This was more grit today.
Yeah.
Less darling.
Yeah. And some extra sparkle in the old beard here.
I know. You got shavings everywhere.
Always, every time. Sweet.
Good job.
All right. All right, we'll see you guys.